Running a sovereign LLM means running your GPU fleet, and the deployment habits that work fine for ordinary cloud apps, that breaks the moment the resource in question is a GPU. That's exactly the infrastructure layer Krutrim is building. Sovereign LLM and cloud, which means owning the scheduling problem most AI companies just rent away. So assumption that trips teams here is treating GPU resource requests like a CPU one. It's a soft request and a higher limit, and the scheduler figures out the rest. That's the idea you go with. That doesn't work. So fractional sharing by default, where a pod claims a whole GPU or none, is the concept that you go with. So set GPU request and plan your capacity around the whole GPU units, not fractional guesses. So these type of configuration detail is what you're looking forward to when you are working with GPU allocation, and it's really fundamentally very different from CPU. So hold on to this structural property. GPU device plugins require certain different configuration setups in modern orchestration platforms, and you will avoid the most common mistakes that people do. I've packaged a GPU resource request checklist, the exact configuration to avoid this failure mode. So comment GPU request below and follow. I'll send it over. And hey, I go deep on this weekly, so join the Demandion community. The link is below. Let's stop making mistakes like treating GPUs like CPUs.